It's confirmed! Uupo bilang coach si Billy Crawford sa The Voice Kids na malapit nang mapanood dito sa Kapuso Network. Pero bago yan, sumalang muna for the first time si Billy sa GMA Integrated News interviews kung saan sinagot niya ang negative comments tungkol sa kanyang pagpayat. Ichichika ni Nelson Canlas.
Billy Crawford is definitely living his best life matapos ang ilang recognition here and abroad. Eto na, and it's official. From the Voice generations, he is back. This time for The Voice Kids.
Hello kids, this is Coach Billy. I want you.
Sa aming kwentuhan sa GMA Integrated News interviews, mapapansin ang kinang sa mga mata ni Billy. Inspirasyon daw niya ang kanyang mag-ina na sobra niyang pinasasalamatan. I love the way how you and Colleen support each other. Plano niyo ba magkaroon ulit ng baby?
No, we're not planning. But to be honest, kung ano na lang bigay sa amin ng Panginoon, we'll accept it. Tinanong ko na si Amari, tinanong na namin ni Colleen, you want a baby sister or a baby brother? Baby sister? Okay, pero not now.
Sa mga nagdaang taon, napansin ng maraming fans ang pagpayat ni Billy. Billy, you are in your slimmest era. What is the secret?
The slimmest or the sickness era? Everyone keeps on, it's a loop. It's like a circle sa buhay ko. It's a non-stop conversation is my nutrition or my diet. I'm not on a diet.
Pero, of course, there will be other people who would say otherwise. You know what's being circulated online, right?
Oh, yeah.
How do you feel about that?
It used to faze me. It used to get me. It used to may kurot ng konti. Pero now it really doesn't anymore. It's nakakatawa na lang.
I mean, that's it, 30. Of course, Billy,
addict daw. Sa mga nakakakilala sa akin, I am by far the one of the few artists are the ones who don't try drugs. We can all take a strand of our hair and do tests. Ngayon din, pwede kong hamunin lahat ng tao dito ngayon. No problem. I have nothing to hide. So, hindi po ako addict. Addict ako sa pamilya ko. Addict ako sa trabaho ko. And that's it. I'm living, I think, my life to the fullest right now.
Binalikan din ni Billy ang nakaraan niya with alcoholism. Napagtagumpayan daw niya ang parte na ito ng kanyang buhay.
It's been over 5 years I've been sober. I have not touched a lick of alcohol. I have not touched cigarettes. Zero. With God's help and God's grace, I did it. So I think everyone is allowed and able to change. You can change.
Nelson Canlas, updated sa Showbiz Happenings.